In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert image to video in Canva. This is a quick and effective way to bring a static photo to life with smooth motion. Perfect for social posts, slides, and simple promos. Start by opening a design in Canva and uploading your photo. You can work with any canvas size that suits your project. Use a high-quality image for the best results, since the movement will emphasize details and edges. If your photo isn't in the project yet, add it to your uploads and place it on the canvas so it fills the space the way you want your final video to look. Next, click directly on the image in the editor. Selecting the image is important because it tells Canva which element you want to animate. You will notice that once the image is selected, options appear along the top menu. Now, click Edit Photo in the top menu. From there, choose Magic Studio, which is Canva's set of AI tools inside Magic Studio. Look for the Image to Video option. This tool analyzes your photo and creates subtle, realistic motion, like pans and zooms, without distorting your subject. You'll see two choices for how the movement is created. Pick Smart if you want Canva to automatically add motion based on the content of your photo. This is great when you want a quick natural result with minimal input. Choose Custom if you'd like to guide the motion yourself. With Custom, you can describe the movement you want, such as a gentle zoom in on a subject, a slow pan from left to right, or a slight tilt for depth. Keep your description clear and focused so the result feels intentional. When you are ready, click Generate 5 seconds video. Canva will process the effect and produce a 5-second clip. This short duration works well for attention-grabbing visuals and loopable moments. When the preview looks good, click Add Video to Design. This replaces the still image on your canvas with the animated version in the same position and size, so your layout remains consistent. You will now see your photo playing as a video on the canvas, showing the motion you selected. That's it. Thanks for watching.